Welcome back to another video. This is Chris, and today we're going to quickly go over what a TXV is and what it does in the HVAC system. Now in this video, we're just going to be talking about residential TXVs. A thermal expansion valve, or a TXV, is a component used to control the amount of refrigerant flow through the evaporator coil, and depending on the system, could be on the outdoor unit as well. Remember, the TXV is a pressure decreaser. Now let's break down the TXV. I want to show you the sensing bulb, the external equalizer, and the power head. The sensing bulb is filled with a liquid which are like the refrigerant used on the system. The bulb is thermally connected to the output of the evaporator coil, meaning it'll sense the temperature of the refrigerant leaving the evaporator coil. The sensing bulb is known as the opening force for the TXV. The external equalizer is what will read the pressure of the refrigerant when it leaves the evaporator coil, and this is the closing force for the valve. Most of the time you'll see this connected, whether it's soldered or wrench on, after the sensing bulb. It depends on the manufacturer and installer. The spring pressure or power head is the part of the valve that sits up on top, to which the sensing bulb is attached. This is also the opening force for the valve and has some refrigerant charge inside to dictate the TXV function according to the pressure temperature relationship of mixed vapor and liquid. Now it may sound confusing, but remember, this is just a basic introduction. The TXV's job is to maintain a constant superheat. When I started in the trade, I did not comprehend this, and I was confused when I would just keep adding refrigerant trying to lower the superheat, but the superheat would never change even though I had close to 30 degrees of subcool. The TXV automatically does this for us, through which we just talked about, but we need the desired subcool for proper liquid refrigerant to the valve. This is typically around 8 to 12 degrees of subcool, but of course check the system you are working on. I've been to some residential systems that needed almost 20 degrees of subcool to properly feed that TXV. I later realized that there's much more to HVAC than just adding refrigerant to systems. With any metering device, proper airflow is very important. If you remember ABC, airflow before charge, that will save you so much headache in the future, but that's a video for another time. The key takeaway of this video is the TXV's job is to maintain a constant superheat. It does this by sensing the temperature and the pressure coming off the evaporator coil. If you learned something from this video, like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.